studied, we have interviewed the accused person, and we got to know that the drugs which were found in the possession of the jail guard was supposed to supply to one of the under trial prisoner, Vikat Bhagat. So we studied we have done the scientific investigation, and we found that Vikat Bhagat was in touch with one person from Agonda, Konkani, and further we confirmed from the accused person also, and then through surveillance we got to know that this Yogesh Pagi is involved in this case. So yesterday night we picked him up from Konkani, and then we arrested in this crime. He has confessed the crime, and we already have enough evidence to connect this Pagi to this crime. So this is the second level of chain of investigation. Usually second level is very difficult to reach. Only because of good work for the team of Colvale police station, it was done successfully. Mr. Pagi, who have arrested yesterday, and from there we will go for the next level of the chain. We will try our best.
असे म्हणतात की जेलीन मोठ्या प्रमाणात ड्रग्स व्यवहार होतात, याचे तुम्ही कितपत कंट्रोल दवरू शकता?
Now we are gone to second level, and then we will try to get the third level so that we can get a major success in this case. Jail guard is involved in this crime. Cocaine is found with him. You have answered. I think the question is answered to you.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.